Hello and welcome to Gardening Glory. I'm thrilled you've joined me today. We all want a garden that flourishes, buzzing with life and bursting with color. In this video, we'll explore 10 fast-growing perennials that will transform your garden from bare soil to blooming brilliance in no time. So grab yourself a cuppa, settle in, and let's get started. First up, we have the cheerful Shasta Daisy. This perennial favorite is known for its bright and sunny disposition, making it a beloved choice for gardeners everywhere. Who can resist those bright white petals and radiant golden centers? They seem to capture the essence of summer, bringing warmth and joy to any garden space. They grow with such vigor, often reaching heights of up to 3 feet. Their robust nature makes them a reliable addition to any garden. Perfect for brightening up a dull corner or lining a pathway, adding simple elegance wherever they grow. Their cheerful blooms can transform any space into a vibrant, welcoming area. They tolerate most soils, but do give them a sunny spot. They thrive best in well-drained soil and full sun, ensuring they get the light they need to flourish. A little sunshine makes them sparkle. Their blooms seem to dance in the sunlight, adding a touch of magic to your garden. Deadhead the spent flowers regularly and divide them every few years to maintain their vigor. This simple care routine will keep your Shasta daisies looking their best year after year. Next, we have the resilient black-eyed Susan. This plant thrives on a bit of neglect, hardy and adaptable. With bright, cheerful flowers, they add a touch of wildflower charm and attract beneficial insects. Plant them in a sunny spot and watch them soar. They'll quickly form clumps, filling your garden with their sunny disposition. Deadhead regularly to keep the flowers coming, and be warned, they can self-seed prolifically. Now let's talk about Coreopsis, guaranteed to bring a smile to your face. Their vibrant yellow flowers bloom for months on end, offering great value. Easy to grow and tolerant of various conditions, they'll quickly fill your garden with cheerful blooms. Give them a sunny spot and watch them thrive. Deadhead regularly to encourage more flowers. Chapter 4. Catmint, a feast for the senses. Catmint, or Nepeta, is a wonderful addition to any garden with its aromatic foliage and delicate spikes of purple flowers. This perennial herb not only adds beauty but also brings a delightful fragrance that can transform your garden into a sensory paradise. Bees and butterflies adore it, making your garden buzz with life. The nectar-rich but also provides a stunning backdrop for other plants. Chapter 5. The elegant Russian sage, a haze of blue. Russian sage is both elegant and low maintenance, drought-tolerant and thriving in poor soil. It rewards you with silvery foliage and blue-purple flowers, perfect for adding sophistication to a border, especially alongside other drought-tolerant plants. Give it a sunny spot and watch it thrive. You may need to stake it early on to help it keep its shape. Now let's talk about bee balm, a favorite with hummingbirds. The brightly colored spiky flowers attract hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies. Bee balm is a vigorous grower, ideal for creating a wildflower meadow effect. It prefers a sunny spot with moist, well-drained soil. Deadhead regularly to encourage more flowers, and divide the clumps every few years to maintain their vigor. Chapter 7. Yarrow, a wildflower meadow essential. Yarrow, with its feathery foliage and colorful flowers, is a butterfly magnet. This hardy perennial thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, and it's drought-tolerant once established. Yarrow is versatile, adding wildflower charm to a border or creating a stunning meadow effect. It spreads quickly, making it great for ground cover. Choose varieties with brightly colored flowers for a spectacular display. Now, let's talk about the show-stopping daylily. Known for their incredible range of colors and forms, they're easy to grow. Daylilies are hardy and adaptable, tolerating various conditions. Plant them in well-drained soil, and they'll reward you with an abundance of blooms year after year. For a stunning display, plant a variety of daylilies with different blooming times. Next, we have the useful and beautiful coneflower, a true gem in any garden. This iconic prairie plant is not only easy to grow, but also thrives in full sun and is highly drought tolerant. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a small urban space, coneflowers can adapt and flourish, making them a versatile choice for gardeners of all levels. Coneflowers attract a variety of pollinators with their large, daisy-like flowers that come in an array of vibrant colors. Bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds are drawn to their nectar, making your garden a lively and buzzing ecosystem. Beyond their visual appeal, coneflowers have significant medicinal properties. The roots and leaves can be harvested to make teas and tinctures, which are known to boost the immune system and help fight off colds and infections. So they add not only beauty to your garden but also offer potential health benefits. Imagine walking through a garden that's not just visually stunning but also a source of natural remedies. Plant them for a garden that's both beautiful and beneficial. With coneflowers, you get the best of both worlds, aesthetic charm and practical uses. They truly embody the concept of beauty with a purpose. Finally, no garden is complete without lamb's ear. With soft, velvety leaves, it's a sensory delight. Despite its delicate appearance, lamb's ear is tough and easy to grow. It's perfect for adding softness to a border and looks stunning alongside plants with contrasting foliage. Plant it in a well-drained spot, as it doesn't like to sit in water. So, there you have it! 10 fast-growing perennials to transform your garden from bare soil to blooming paradise. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, experiment with different plants, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Happy gardening, everyone!